All right, let's get into another hieroglyph today. So, what is this long, thin thing with the little pointy ends on it? We'll get into that in just a moment. Welcome to Voices of Ancient Egypt. If you're new here, I'd love it if you'd hit subscribe and that bell so you won't miss future videos like this one. All right, so what was this? Well, this is actually a picture of the sky. This is the way that the ancient Egyptians often represented the sky. There are a couple other ways as well, but this is the most common, and certainly in hieroglyphs, the way that it is done. This sign is usually used as what we call a determinative. And if you're not familiar with what a determinative is, I suggest you pick up my free half-hour hieroglyphs guide, and there'll be a link for that in the description below. So this is used in words generally for things that describe the sky, which makes sense, right? Since it is a sky hieroglyph, and it's used as a determinative. So usually it's used in the word for sky, which is spelled with a P and a T also, and we pronounce this in modern times pet. And then you have the determinative of the sky hieroglyph. Now, occasionally they may use this determinative by itself to stand in for the whole word for pet, but they usually spell it out in this way. And interestingly, this hieroglyph is not just used in text, but it also shows up in art, in scenes where they want to show the sky above something that's going on. Oftentimes they will actually show it with this particular sign representing the sky at the top of the scene. All right, that is the pet hieroglyph for you, the sky. I will be back with another hieroglyph soon.